21st of June 2022. This is Lintuvaarantie. Fågelvägen 21 steg sig, but sadly this is generic. But this must have been built. It was built in 1994 originally. Maybe it was Schindler.
Yeah.
It was probably Schindler S before.
Yeah.
It was modernized in 2009. This is so unnecessary. It was with automatic doors by Schindler S.
Yeah.
And this number is 330483. 22 said before. Capacity is 6 per 80 grams. This was probably around the same time when the extension was finished.
Yeah.
But actually, no, it was Ceam.
Oh yeah.
Ceam from 94.
Yeah.
There we have it. Ceam from 94. It will be inspected next year, 2023. But it was Ceam with automatic doors, which was rare.
Yeah.
We have filmed them. Oh no, we have filmed a little bit in Herttoniemi,
Yeah.
at least, but also without any doors.
Yeah.
But it was still unnecessary.
Mm.
And down to the ground floor. Because I don't like these buttons.
Same.
And but it's hydraulic.
Yeah.
Roped hydraulic.
Yeah. Inspected by Inspected, maintained by Cone.
It had probably the same type of fixtures as those original in Herttoniemi and those in Hermanni.
Yeah.
But those in Hermanni, I think they have all replaced them. But
Yeah.
I filmed all of them before it.
Yeah. That's